Tara and I got married over the weekend.
Just about everybody else did.
Just we didn't, though. Just started leading. Who got married or engaged?
Engaged, married. It's all love is in the air. Welcome to Better Connecticut on your Monday. J-Lo and ARod got engaged over the weekend. This is what they posted. She posted all hearts. He posted, she said yes.
So how many
and they're very happy.
This
will be her fourth time for her.
Fourth time for her. She's 49, we think?
She's 49. She has
49.
twins.
She has twins with
Mark
Anthony. And this will be her fourth time married to ARod.
It's a pretty ring, and they were on vacation together.
Yeah, somewhere in we think somewhere in the Bahamas. We're not quite sure, but
okay.
I'm hoping to get invited to the wedding. I don't know either one of them, but I'm hoping that an invite will be in the mail sometime soon. And from engagement to wedding, Glee actress Lea Michele, she got married over the weekend. Good for her.
Yeah, look
I
at
love
these
her.
pretty pictures.
Oh, look at how beautiful
Private
she
ceremony
looks.
in Northern California. Very lovely. They got engaged in the Hamptons with a nice pretty ring on her finger, so they're off to their new life.
She looks absolutely beautiful. I know, you know,
like
she had some sorrow there with the loss of one of her, Corey Monteith from Glee. So
yeah,
we're happy for her. We're glad that she's found happiness in her life. That's good.
And Chance the Rapper tied the knot.
Wow, a lot
He
of
wears the Channel 3 hat, so we like him for that.
No, why does he wear three on all of his hats?
We don't know. I think it's, why don't we just say it's for WFSB?
All right, Channel 3. Chance the Rapper got married to his
childhood crush.
Childhood crush.
She's already the mother of his child, so there you go.
That is good news. Good news. All right, Kristen Bell, the super couple Kristen Bell. You know, she's the think Frozen. And Shepard just launched a line of baby products at Walmart.
Because they're cool, so don't you want what they make for their baby?
Of course I do.
Hello, Bello. And they're at Walmart, and they're, I guess, super cute, more natural, organic products. So check them out, Kristen Bell and Shepard.
That's awesome. Friday we met a very special young lady.
Yeah, Brianna Densky. She is the Connecticut high school student who landed the main role in the new movie that's coming out this weekend called Wonder Park. And she was telling us, here she is, a student, she's always on plays, she lives in Waterbury. She would never met any of her co-stars. And there she went, she got to go to the big Hollywood premiere. This is her Instagram page with Mila Kunis and Ken Jeong.
Ken Jeong, yeah. Brianna plays June Bailey, the girl who imagined then saves the amusement park of her dreams. Mila Kunis plays Greta, the wild boar, and Ken Jeong plays Cooper, the beaver.
So cute. And other stars, big stars, Jennifer Gardner, Matthew Broderick. It debuts Friday. It's a good family movie. I love the trailer.
What a get for her. God bless.
Awesome.
That's fantastic.
Justin Bieber, it says he's going through a very human time, and he's asking his fans for their prayers. He's been, it's been reported that he's been struggling with depression, but now he didn't say exactly why he needs prayer. It's just that he's having a tough time, he's struggling, and he wants everyone to pray for him.
You know, all the money in the world, God, you know, and I'm going to pray for him because I just think, you know,
everybody can use it, right?
He's troubled right now, and God bless, he needs the help.
It's really nice, actually, I think, when celebrities show a human side.
Exactly.
Because there's too much of the perfection all over social media that everyone thinks they have to live up to.
Right, and gosh knows his life has not been perfect, and he's like a 180-degree turn, and now he's still suffering from some demons, and we hope that he overcomes them.
Yeah.
We will pray for him.
So if you want to laugh, then maybe that always helps everything.
Yeah.
How about, you know, we can look at anything on Google Earth because there's the Google Earth car that drives all over the world to show things to you.
Absolutely.
But what about when a dog chases the Google Earth car?
Yeah, this doggy, take a look at these photos of a dog chasing the car. You can see the dog running up behind the car. Everywhere the car goes, they're like, yep, we got to get this street. Here comes the dog. There he is. There's the dog. Ready? Again, there's the dog. I love it. So the dog is now featured in all of the Google Earth images for this particular street. And I think it's just fantastic. They should name the street after the dog.
Yeah, I think the dog needs an Instagram account because it's going viral.
Look at this.
Maybe
Isn't that funny? He's like, woof,
so
woof, woof, get out of my neighborhood.
Whose dog is it? Yeah. All right, so how great is this? You might love going to Marshall's where it's great deals, but if you can't get there, Marshall's is starting online shopping.
Wow.
Yeah, you might have heard about this before, but it's actually opening soon online, so you can get your deals online. TJ Maxx is already doing it,
So
but it'll be different items than what you see in the store. So you doesn't mean any of the Marshalls are closing. You can still get your fix there, but you can shop online too.
That would be something I would look forward to.